The car right now. We just found the icing truck.
Oh, he's still in there, yeah.
Oh, come on, guys.
Ready, Papa?
Yeah.
I got that. You got the $20 on you, buddy?
Yeah, I got it.
Get out, go, man.
No, I'm okay.
Can I get out?
Yeah. Go ahead, Bobby. You got this.
Yep. Hey, yeah,
You got money on you?
yeah. Hey! I want chocolate with cherry dip. Chocolate with cherry dip.
Chocolate with cherry dip? Oh, you can't hear me? Look at it, you start here, it goes off.
Oh yeah? Oh, you guys getting the cherry dip? What?
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. I got my cherry dip.